Welcome, future shapers. Today, we're embarking on a crucial journey, one that holds the key to our planet's survival and prosperity, building a sustainable future through renewable energy and green technology. The urgency of climate change is no longer a debate. It's a stark reality. Our planet is sending us clear signals. Rising temperatures, extreme weather, and ecosystem collapse are no longer distant threats, but immediate consequences of our actions. But what's truly happening? In simple terms, human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels, release vast amounts of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. These gases act like a blanket, trapping heat and warming our planet, a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. The impacts are devastating, from melting ice caps and rising sea levels threatening coastal communities to increasingly severe droughts, floods, and wildfires disrupting lives and livelihoods. Our delicate ecosystems are under immense pressure, and countless species face extinction. This is a turning point, and the time for decisive action is now. But amidst this challenge, there's a beacon of hope, the boundless promise of renewable energy. Imagine harnessing the incredible power of nature itself. We're talking about solar energy, capturing the sun's abundant rays, wind power, transforming air currents into electricity, hydropower, utilizing the force of flowing water, and geothermal energy, tapping into the Earth's internal heat. The rise of green technology is truly remarkable. We've seen incredible advancements in solar panels becoming more efficient and affordable, wind turbines growing larger and more powerful, and groundbreaking energy storage solutions like advanced batteries that ensure a consistent power supply. And it's not just about saving the planet, it's about smart economics. The renewable energy sector is a job creation powerhouse, offering new opportunities in manufacturing, installation, research, and development. Plus, by reducing our reliance on volatile fossil fuels, we build more stable economies and energy independence. In transportation, the electric vehicle revolution is in full swing, offering cleaner, quieter, and increasingly affordable alternatives. We're seeing massive investments in charging infrastructure and breakthroughs in battery technology that are extending range and reducing charging times. Our homes and buildings are becoming greener too. Sustainable building materials, energy-efficient designs that minimize waste and maximize natural light, and smart home technologies are dramatically reducing our carbon footprint, making our living spaces healthier and more sustainable. Even manufacturing and agriculture are going green. From innovative vertical farms that use less water and land, to precision agriculture powered by AI and circular economy practices that eliminate waste, industries are embracing eco-friendly processes for a more sustainable future. This monumental shift requires collective effort. Governments worldwide are stepping up, implementing ambitious policies, regulations, and incentives that accelerate the transition to renewable energy and sustainable practices. Global initiatives are fostering international cooperation, recognizing that climate change knows no borders. Businesses and corporations are also playing a crucial role. Many are setting aggressive sustainability targets, investing in green technologies, and integrating eco-friendly practices into their core operations. This isn't just good for the planet, it's smart business, attracting conscious consumers and investors. And never underestimate the power of individual actions. Every choice we make, from reducing our energy consumption at home to supporting businesses committed to sustainability and advocating for stronger climate policies in our communities, adds up to a powerful force for change. Your voice matters. The climate crisis is our generation's defining challenge, but it's also our greatest opportunity to build a better world. The importance of collective action cannot be overstated. Our global cooperation and collaboration will be the bedrock of our success. Let's envision a hopeful future, a future where renewable energy powers every home and industry, where green technologies are integrated into every facet of our lives, and where environmental responsibility is not just a buzzword, but a shared, fundamental value across humanity. You have the power to be part of this solution. Educate yourself, engage in conversations, support sustainable initiatives, and advocate for a greener tomorrow. Together, we can turn the tide and forge a truly sustainable, prosperous future for all. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.